Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best mechanics creepers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Pro Lift C9100 Black 40 inches Foldable Z Creeper. This is another product from Creeper Pro Life and it is very sturdy compared to the previous one. The manufacturer has used strong steel for construction and has a weight capacity of 450 pounds. Typically, it is long and nicely padded to protect your back from the bare concrete. Additionally, it covered using the black PU leather that matches with black frame. It's very unique and will attract you. You will not experience any difficulties while using it since no tools are required. The Creeper has 6 caster wheels that will offer you stability and easy mobility. After using it, you can fold it and balance it on 4 wheels for easy storage. This is a heavyweight creeper, which you should consider having. At number 4. Traxion 3-100 Foldable Topside Creeper. Traxion has accomplished a track of record in manufacturing a simple and functional creeper. You can adjust the height of this product for easy using. The deck has been padded to protect your chest muscles. This has been discussed as the best item since you can fold it and save more space. On the other hand, it is designed with caster wheels for easy mobility. It also designed using a locking caster to lock your weight. Typically, it can support up to 56 pounds. The material used for the frame is durable and long-lasting. It is very easy to use and maintain. The manufacturer has offered a warranty. So, you should buy it with confidence. At number 3. Torin Big Red Rolling Garage Creeper. Torin's Big Red takes a whole new approach compared to the Pro Lift Creeper. Generally, this product will not offer you a Z-seater mechanism but you will be happy with the headrest. Generally, there are many people who experience some sharp neck pains from time to time. If you happen to be one of these people, then this item might be the best pick for you. The manufacturer has designed it using 6 caster wheels, which will support your weight as you move underneath your car. The headrest is perfectly made and you will not have any neck pain. The headrest has more padding compared to the rest of the Creeper. All padding is covered using a beautiful red vinyl, which is durable and long-lasting. This item will offer you much comfort while working. Consider buying it and make your long working hours an easy task. At number 2. Omega 91452 Black Low Profile Z Creeper. This Omega 91452 product is a low profile. Typically, if you are looking for a convertible creeper, which you can convert into a mechanic seat, then this is what you should buy. The entire creeper is padded and covered using a black leather material, which matches with the black frame. It has 4 black wheels for easy mobility. The wheels are designed on the sides of the frame. These different black parts eventually make it attractive. It can support the weight of up to 450 pounds. This is why we recommend it for all your heavy jobs. The material used to manufacture the frame is very strong and durable. On the other hand, the manufacturer has offered a 1-year warranty. You should not worry when buying this item. At number 1. Jegs Performance Products 81165 2-in-1 Foldable Creeper and Seat. If you are looking for a mechanic creeper that has many features, then this is the best product for you. It is designed with headrest for people who have the problem with their neck. The item is fully padded and covered using black leather, which gives it a perfect look. The headrest is more padded than the entire creeper. This will offer you more comfort while working under your car. The caster wheels are strong and durable for long lasting. The frame is designed from strong steel to support all the weight. This item has been discussed as the best in this category. The manufacturer has offered a warranty against this item. Therefore, consider buying it with confidence. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.